Are you struggling to land your first Scrum role?
Yes!
Many believe that certification is all it takes to secure a high-paying position. Many people manage to get a Scrum certificate, but still they cannot secure an active engagement. They start saying that there is no demand for Scrum Masters or Product Owners in the job market. But recently, one person approached me and asked if I could assist her in securing her first Scrum Master job. And I said, obviously, I would be happy to help, so let's discuss how we can work together to make that happen. What we discovered is that she doesn't have any experience working with Scrum, which is okay. She has a PSM 1, Professional Scrum Master 1 certificate from scrum.org. But here's the funny part. She wants to work for a company where she can work from home and not just in summer because she enjoys traveling. So at this point, I was lost. Our conversation had to come to an end. I mean, are you kidding me? No one is going to give this type of person a chance. This is not a kindergarten. This is a serious work and responsibilities. So if you are a serious person looking to secure your first Scrum Master or Product Owner job, this video is for you because I'm going to teach you 5 essential steps you need to take to kickstart your journey into the world of Scrum as quickly as possible. Okay? Now imagine yourself stepping into one of these Scrum roles, brimming with the passion and confidence, equipped with the skills to navigate the uncharted waters of Agile project management. Your mere presence earns the respect and admiration of your peers as you lead them through the challenges. Your stories of success and struggle inspire others to follow in your footsteps. With the wind at your back and the guidance of experienced mentors, you embark on your quest to master the art of Scrum. Now, this can be achieved, okay? But one step at a time. So if you have any questions, please share them in the comments. Okay, let's get started. So what is the first step? Now, I'm not going to lie you. It's going to be easy, and we are not here for easy. Easy is cleaning a room or baking a cake. I'm not here to be nice. I'm here to be kind. And a kind person tells you the truth even if it hurts. So brace yourself because I'm about to lay down the steps you need to take to secure your first Scrum Master role. And I won't pull any punches. So here are the 5 categories or steps that can help you secure your first Scrum Master job the quickest way possible. And make sure you write them down in this order, okay? So the first step is volunteering for Scrum roles in projects. But the question is how to find Scrum projects in the community, okay? So there are a couple of things. So first, you have to consider a local meetup groups. So look for a local Agile or Scrum meetup groups in your area. These groups often organize events, workshops, and networking sessions where you can connect with other practitioners and learn about ongoing Scrum projects in the community. These meetups are typically free and incredibly engaging, so be sure not to miss out on any of them, okay? And attending local meetup groups dedicated to Agile and Scrum is a great way to meet fellow professionals, learn new skills, and stay connected with the local Agile community. And you will have the opportunity to network, to share knowledge, and to gain inspiration from others' experiences, all of which can contribute to your ultimate goal of securing your first Scrum job, okay? And the second thing you can do in this step is with online forums and communities. So you can join online forums, discussion groups, and social media communities dedicated to Agile and Scrum. These platforms can be valuable resources for finding information about volunteer opportunities, project-seeking team members, or community-driven initiatives related to Scrum. And make sure to jot down all the key details about each meetup you attend, like dates, topics, presenter, etc. And we will need this information for reference later on. And then set yourself a goal to actively participate by asking questions and replying with answers to other people's questions. And you can use the song rule approach, where you can aim to respond to someone's question within the duration of a song. And once the song finishes, you can move on. So this strategy helps you stay engaged while managing your time effectively. If you start doing this regularly, not only will you add more skills to your toolbox, but people from that community will start to notice you. And this is an important part of securing your first Scrum Master job or Product Owner job. I know you might be asking, okay, but how to get involved in these activities? Once you identify Scrum meetups, reach out to organizers expressing your interest in getting involved. Introduce yourself. Explain your background and motivation for wanting to participate, and inquire about any opportunities to contribute as a team member. And during the meetups, be proactive in asking relevant questions and sharing your opinions on a specific topic. So, being proactive during meetups by asking relevant questions and sharing your opinions not only demonstrates your engagement and commitment to learning, but also helps you build valuable relationships within the Agile community. It expands your knowledge, hones your communication skills, and increases your visibility as a knowledgeable and engaged member. But most importantly, this visibility can enhance your reputation and credibility, making you more appealing to potential employers when seeking your first Scrum job. So during these meetups, make sure to actively seek feedback from other participants to continually enhance your grasp and application of Scrum principles. So this is the first step. Let's continue to the step number 2. Seek mentorship from experienced Scrum Masters. And this can be incredibly beneficial. Start by identifying a seasoned Scrum Master that you believe can help you. The best option is if you can find someone within your local community. And the second best option is through professional network you built through meetup groups or online communities. So reach out to them with a genuine expression of interest in learning more about Scrum and ask if they would be willing to share their insights, experiences, and the best practices with you. A mentor can offer invaluable guidance, feedback, and more. Some mentors offer their assistance free of charge, motivated by a sincere desire to help others succeed, while others have their own rates. If they believe they can offer valuable insights, or if they sense that their guidance would be appreciated by you, they are often more than willing to lend a helping hand. In addition to seeking individuals' mentorship, step number 3 is to join Agile and Scrum Facebook or LinkedIn groups, forums, or other online communities. These platforms offer opportunities to connect with other practitioners, share knowledge, and learn from their experiences. Engaging with these communities allow you to expand your network, gain exposure to different perspectives, and access a wealth of resources to support your learning journey. By actively seeking mentorship and engaging with the online communities, you not only enhance your understanding and application of Scrum principles, but also demonstrate your dedication and commitment to potential employers. Mentors can offer valuable insights into the industry, provide personalized guidance tailored to your specific career aspirations, and help you navigate challenges along the way. Their support and mentorship can significantly accelerate your growth and development as you strive to secure your first Scrum role. Step number 4 is continuous learning. Now listen, you have several things you can do. Workshops. Imagine attending a workshop on conflict resolution techniques. You would engage in role-playing scenarios where you practice resolving conflicts between team members. Through these interactive exercises, you learn firsthand how to de-escalate tension, foster understanding, and reach consensus within a group. Simply search for these workshops online, and you will discover that they are very affordable, and while there may not be specifically focused on Scrum, participating in workshops that enhance skills like conflict resolution and some other soft skills can significantly benefit Scrum teams. Teams with skilled individuals proficient, for example, in conflict resolution, often achieve better results. Second is books and courses. So try to learn something new every day. Did you know that by dedicating just 1 hour each day to learning new things, you can become an expert in just 5 years? Okay, so read books and enroll in different courses. See how different course instructors share their viewpoints on the same subject. Through structured lessons and guided exercises, you will learn techniques for effective conveying your ideas, setting boundaries, and handling challenging conversations with the tact and professionalism. Additionally, online courses and self-paced modules offer flexibility, allowing you to learn at your own pace and revisit key concepts as needed. So whether it's mastering active listening or leading productive meetings, these courses provide a comprehensive framework for skill development, empowering you to communicate with clarity and authority in any setting. The final step is start building your resume. So after spending some time engaging in these activities, it's important to start building your resume. If you have previously worked in a Scrum role, filling out the resume might be pretty much straightforward. But if you are just starting out, don't worry, there are ways to highlight your strengths. So if you lack work experience, focusing on your education is a smart move. So highlight any courses that emphasize the skills relevant to the job. But don't skip other courses that showcase important skills like technical abilities, communication, conflict resolution, and so on. They are key qualities for Scrum roles. Ensure that you complete all available courses and include them in the educational section. When crafting your resume, you might feel like you don't have the relevant experience to draw for. However, with a bit of reflection, you will likely uncover experiences that illustrate your professionalism, interest, and character, all valuable traits to potential employers. Consider including sections like relevant experience, where you can highlight, let's say, volunteer experience. Do you recall at the start of the video when I emphasized the importance of jotting down all details from your meetups? Do you recall at the start of the video when I emphasized the importance of jotting down all the details from your meetups? We will require that information later. Do you remember that? So this section is where you will document all the specifics regarding your involvement in the local meetup groups. It serves as a platform to highlight your community engagement, teamwork abilities, and interest. And furthermore, it offers a valuable hands-on experience in a relevant field. Relevant skills. So take note of the skills commonly requested in the job description you are interested in. Chances are, even if you don't have any formal work experience, you probably have skills that will be useful in this field. This might include research, effective communication, adaptability, problem-solving, leadership, teamwork, time management, organization and social media, public speaking, customer service skills, whatever. So by showcasing your education, volunteer work, and relevant skills, you can demonstrate your potential value to employers, even without formal work experience. And after crafting your resume, share it on the social networks and within your community to let people know about your preferences. Let's conclude this video. If you are still thinking Scrum Master or Product Owner sounds awesome but I have no experience, don't worry. Many of the skills you already have are perfect for these roles. Think back to school project or volunteer work. Did you manage your time, collaborate with others, and solve problems on the fly? And those are all superstar skills for Scrum and product ownership. Sure, there's some cool Scrum and product owner knowledge to pick up, but you can use online courses, meetup, or even certification that can help you. But the secret weapon: combine those everyday skills with your newfound Agile knowledge and passion for making things work well. And here is the key. When you talk to companies, show them you are a great fit even without tons of experience. Highlight your skills, your passion for Agile, and your willingness to learn. And another cool trick: some companies have a junior Scrum Master or product owner roles, and these are like training wheels. You get a real experience with a seasoned pro guiding you. So the bottom line: with a little creativity, some learning, and a whole lot of "I can do this" attitude, okay, you can absolutely land that Scrum Master or product owner gig. Just keep showing them your skills, your passion for Agile, and your willingness to learn, and you will be unstoppable. If you're interested in exploring Scrum for free or determining if the Scrum is the right career option for you, I offer a complimentary course and a quiz to assess your readiness for Scrum. So check the description for the links to access them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.